So these are those collard greens. Today is September 15th, and they're growing pretty good. All from seed, all from that stage to this stage. Today is September 22nd. These are those collard greens from seed. They're growing pretty good. Got a couple of them. I just put them in a bigger pot. From, you know, a pot like this, from the pods to a pot like this to this, and they're growing pretty good. Put some in bigger pots here later, see how they grow. But those collard greens, they starting to come out. September 22nd. October 12th, these are my little ones. I grew them at the same time as I grew my larger one. You know, those, all of them should be this big, but I moved that one to a bigger container faster. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna transfer maybe 2 or 3 of these ones that look like they're growing pretty nice, and I'm gonna transfer it to bigger ones like that so I can get more collards. Those collard greens that I've been showing you guys growing from seed. Today's October 12th. I grew it in this bigger, you know, bag container here, whatever you want to call it. It's 5 gallons, and it's growing pretty well, so it looks good. I put this one in a bigger pot faster than I did some other ones, so that's the reason that it's grown so big. What I've learned in this situation is to you know, put it in a bigger pot as soon as possible, and get it growing. You know, everything that I teach y'all is off of my experiences. You know, I don't do much research. I watch videos and stuff, but besides that, you know, I learn a lot from these guys on the internet. But you know, all mine is just you know, trial and error. Act like the crocodile hunter real quick. Aren't they a beauty? You know, got a couple caterpillars, got a hold of that one. Maybe one caterpillar. Sometimes you can lift it up and find the caterpillar. Take it off. That's simple. I use this stuff called Sevin Dust. You know, I know a lot of people like to go all natural, stuff like that, but this stuff right here is really good, and it doesn't kill your plant, and it's for the garden. So it kills those beetles. It doesn't affect it. I still don't just, you know, use it and then harvest and eat it, but I'll wait a while after I do it, just in case. You know, if it's man-made, it could harm you. But yeah, they're growing pretty good, man. So I just want to show y'all a little bit. Yeah. No, this is collard greens. Collard greens, that's what we're about to eat. Miss Jasmine's already making some. But see these right here? For them to continue to grow, you have to leave this middle. If you cut that off, then it's gonna stop the plant from growing. But as long as you cut the ones that are off on the side and the bottom, you can cut this one off, this, all of this, and just leave this middle, then it's gonna grow more. So
first snip.
Don't snip, be careful. Don't snip this one.
Like that?
Yeah. Now, lay it on the ground, because we're gonna wash them off anyway, so don't lay it on the ground. Just put it right there. It's a big leaf. It's almost bigger than my hand.
One foot. Second snip.
Cut it with what? Can you know how to cut with one hand?
Oh, yeah.
Snip it and hold it with your other hand, so it don't fall on the ground. Okay.
These are best. These are best after frost over, when it gets really cold outside. When it gets really cold outside, it makes them a little bit sweeter. It won't be so bitter. And it got really cold last night. It got 28 degrees last night. So, can I put this one? Yeah. Okay, let me cut. Yeah, that right there. Good job. Good girl, that's right. Yeah, good girl.
It's a good stack. Can make a good little
Salad.
greens off of that. Good greens. Hey, hold on.
Wait, what are we making off of this?
Huh?
Oh, these are greens?
Yeah.
Is Jasmine we're gonna use these?
Yeah.
Oh, I see the water got on my hand.
Alright. Good job. Greens, straight from the garden. Ooh. Beautiful. Cutting them up by the grub. What you know about it? Georgia collards in Texas. Grub time. Homemade greens. Oh.